So no time has passed since the last episode, and we are here to teach you how to do permissions. One of the most important things you can do. You don't do them for the console, but you do them for players here. So now if I went in here, went under the player instance, I said, hey, if the player that has permission, let's say tutorial dot heal. Let's say I created this, and I was like, hey, so they can only do, it does these two when I have that, and I return true. And I do, hey, otherwise, player dot set health to 0, player dot, let's say, what should we do to him? What do you think we should do? I mean, actually, now we'll just set the health to 0 and say, we'll say something random like, fool, you cannot do that. You have no permission. Okay? Now, with permissions, you do not have to set them in here. You can, but like you don't. Nobody does that. And then you just go into here. You do permissions, just like we did with the commands. Okay? You type it into tutorial.heal. Now, the only thing you really need for this is right now I'm gonna set the default to operator. You can look up what all the rest of the stuff about this is. You can just Google plugin.yml spigot and it'll just show up with a list of everything. But if we take this, what we have right now, and export it, so let's say we put it out here, episode 2, and I'll drag it in here. Now all this is really doing here with these permissions is we're just setting that, hey, if their permissions do not contain this specific thing, or they're not OP, so if they do not have that, or they're not OP, then it just kills you and says, heh, you're a fool, you cannot do that, you have no permission. That's about it. That's really all it does, but you have to make sure you register the permission in here, otherwise it just doesn't work. Which is kind of funny if you actually messed that up and just didn't let it work. That'd be hilarious, but kind of wouldn't if you never really checked. It's always important to check that. Make sure you check that, no matter what, because that's something you have to check if the permissions work. Even if you know they're going to work because it's the same thing every time, you got to check it. So, now it's loaded. We'll hop in there. And we will do /heal. Oh, you fool, you cannot do that. You have no permission. And I got kicked for flying. Okay. So it did kill me. So if I do /health, yep, I'm dead. There are ways to like set the cause of death and stuff like that. There's tons of stuff like that, but if we do op, let's say we decide, hey, I'm just gonna op myself, right? And we do /heal. You have been healed. /health. You have been you have been healed. You know, it's a useful thing to do because you don't if you're trying to make a plugin and you want to make an administrative command, like let's say you're remaking the ban command, right? The ban players. You don't want it to just be so any player can ban anyone, because that'd be kind of hilarious. But I've said that a lot, but you get the gist, right? Like it can't do that. So next time I'm doing chat color. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you later.